Hi friends, this video shows how to connect this Samsung T7 Shield SSD storage to Google TV Streamer 4K device and transfer files. Here I will be using this multi-port USB hub that is connected to Google TV Streamer 4K device using this USB Type-C cable. Here you can see the power cable that is connected to PD-in port of this USB hub. And here you can see the one black USB Type-C cable. In this cable I will be connecting this SSD storage. Let me connect this SSD storage to USB hub. Done. After this we can go to TV and check whether this USB storage is mounted or not. Go to settings, select all settings, go down, go to system, go to storage, and here under this removable storage you can see no name 1 TB. This is the SSD storage, this Samsung SSD storage that I connected, 1 TB SSD storage. That means it's mounted properly. Then go to home screen, go to apps tab. So we need to install file manager app. I already installed two file manager apps, Explore and Unexplore. Explore is a free file manager app. Let me use that app. Let me open this. We can install this app from App Store. Let me open, and here on the left side we can see storage around 1 TB size it's showing. That is the this SSD storage, Samsung SSD storage. Select it. Now you are seeing files inside that SSD storage. See, and here you can see two images in this SSD storage. Let me open. This way we can open files inside the SSD storage using file manager app. Next I will show you how we can copy files. First let me copy one image. Let me copy this image. I am going to copy this image from this Samsung SSD storage to internal storage of Google TV Streamer 4K. Then go to the right side. On the right side we need to select the destination. Right side, let me go to internal storage. Then I am going to paste that image here in this documents folder. Select it. Done. Then go to left side, select the image that we need to transfer. Then select copy. Now here you can see the destination documents. Select OK. Done. See, now on the right side you can see I have successfully transferred that image from SSD storage to internal storage of the Google TV Streamer 4K device. So let me open this image from the internal storage of this Google TV Streamer 4K. See, it's working. Next I am going to transfer one file from internal storage of the Google TV Streamer 4K device to this connected Samsung portable SSD. First on left side let me go to internal storage. So there first I need to select that file that I need to transfer. Go to download, and here I am going to transfer this file total commander. Then go to the right side. Right side I need to select the destination. I am going to select this Samsung SSD storage. Then go to download folder. So I am going to paste here. Okay. Then go to left side, select that file total commander, press and hold OK button on the remote. Then mark it. Then here we need to select copy. Now the destination you can see download folder of this connected Samsung portable SSD. Select OK. Done. See, on the right side you can see that file. So now I have successfully transferred that file from internal storage of this Google TV Streamer 4K to connected SSD storage. So this way we can connect this portable Samsung T7 Shield SSD storage and transfer files. So you can try this. So next I will show you how we can safely eject this SSD storage. Please don't directly remove it. First we need to eject. Go to all settings, go to system, go to storage, select this 1 TB SSD storage, select eject. After this you can safely remove this SSD storage from Google TV Streamer 4K device. So you can try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.